My name is Sanjana. I'm studying 8th A section. My school name is SAVR ZPHS School, Edlapalli. My project name is Smart Dustbin. Components: servo motor, Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor, and jumper cables. The Smart Dustbin project is designed to improve cleanliness and hygiene by reducing the need to touch dustbin eyelids. The dustbin uses on ultrasonic sensor detect the presence of a person or object. When someone brings the hand close to the bin, microcontrollers which when activates a servo motor to open the lid automatically to create a touch-free dustbin for better hygiene, to reduce the spread of germs and bacteria, to automatic disposal using sensors and microcontrollers. The servo ultrasonic sensor continuously measures the distance between the dustbin and any object in front of it. My friend will continue.
When a hand comes within a example a fixed distance example 15 to 20 centimeters, the seasons 5 sends the single to the Arduino Uno. The Arduino Uno processes the single and sends off command to the micro servo motor. The servo motor returns the open the dustbin lid. Work with